Mhlambe ke amazwi nobhekise ke balandeli ukuthi mhlambe bayiphathe kanjani njengoba sibheke lapha kwi-final ama-tickets are sold out but abanye bakhona bazowathola umuntu azi ukuthi agcina libuke ekhaya ibhola mothi alithiwa ngithikithi hambe kuyoxatshana lapha sokubanga ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ungena kanjani mhlambe nzini kubalandeli.
I think it's important ukuthi sifikeni ngesikhathi because that's the most important one because kunamalanga sinoku extend isikhathi sokuthi let's rather start 6:30. I mean kick off is 6 o'clock. Please make your way there, go and support the football, especially when you know you go hamba namazulu ne Arrows, but you are allowed to attend the game, you support the game. And Paganias bazogcwala lapha. It's obvious and sibonile before Pagania mayadlala this side most of the time by a winner. So I think this is our second home away from home. So we wish them safely on the road especially and siyazi sometimes sinokuphuza man we end up siphuzile overdose so let's take care of ourselves and let's get to the stadium safely and support and going back home because we still want to see you next one.
Ithanda ukuthi Saturday kuzobe kuwafa asazi kwamanje ukuthi liphi team ezonqoba ngoba iPirates ama defending champ so Stellenbosch okwamanje idlala kahle siyabona labafana bayimisele so kuzobe kuyigame emnandi nje akekho neshow ukuthi hayi mina ngiyothatha kalula kanjani yabo so siyafisa ukuthi abantu befike ngomningi babo abasuka la kanongoma besuke early bema groundini siyazi ukuthi ama-tickets are sold out kodwa phela khona abantu awuthola ukuthi vele kade wawathenga nalabo bazobe bawabuka ke emakhaya bahlale kahle be-enjoy igame emnandi.